been unearthed in Bengaluru's civic body BBMP-controlled hospitals. The racket could have been the reason why numerous patients were denied beds since the last 15 days or so. Because anybody who would call up the BBMP for beds was told that no beds were available, including oxygen and ICU beds. BJP MP Tejasvi Surya and other BJP MLAs rushed to the South BBMP war room after they found BBMP officials in nexus with agents from the outside who were collecting bribe to allot beds under the government quota. BJP leaders found that no beds were available anywhere in the city because BBMP officials were booking these beds under asymptomatic home isolation patients' name. The Karnataka government, since the start of the second wave, had set up BBMP zone-wise war rooms to allot beds where the government pays for treatment. 50% of beds reserved at private hospitals for the same.
It has been allotted at the first instance to a person who is asymptomatic and is under home isolation. He is not even informed about it. Who don't need the bed, who is under home isolation. And in the 12 hours that he has from the time of allotment to the time of admission, if he does not get himself admitted, the bed becomes auto-unblocked. Like that, there are 4,000 instances, which means 4,000 beds were unnecessarily blocked in the name of people who did not want the bed, while there are people who are waiting outside for one hospital bed.
My colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanath is getting us more details on that story. Nagarjun, first of all, what a shameful incident that we're reporting on from Bengaluru. Just tell us what sort of action is being taken against the officials who are guilty of doing this at a time when people require these beds to get well and to recover from the infection, essentially.
Immediately after the Member of Parliament raided the war room, a case was registered in the Jayanagar police station, and now the crime branch has taken over the FIR. 2 people have been arrested. These are data operators, is what we are told. These 2 data operators had collected a bribe of 1 lakh recently to book an oxygen bed for 40,000 per bed. So together they had collected 1 lakh, and both of them have been taken into custody, is what we are told at this point of time. And more arrests are expected in a couple of days. The BBMP war room also will be taken over by government. In fact, the audit will be done, and also removal of few officials is what the government is looking at right now. Tejasvi Surya and also other MLAs met the Chief Minister, apprised them of the situation as to how bribe for bed scam is happening and how 4,000 beds were booked for asymptomatic people and then sold off like auctions for people who had affording money and could pay money for such beds. And the shameful thing was BJP in itself claims. But what Congress is saying is that BJP is fighting BJP because BBMP, the state government, both are run by BJP themselves here. Then why the scam happened and why did the corruption happen? That's the opposition stand. But however, things are being clean in BBMP. 2 officials have already been arrested now.
All right, Nagarjun, thanks for getting us up to speed with those developments.